Okay, almost done. That was horrible. I gotta do it again. Shoot, it's recording this whole time. Blooper. Hi you guys, welcome to Virgo Lovers channel. This shows you the dedication of how I am about the environment and my background, and so I wanted to do something different instead of just my house all the time. Today we were supposed to talk about how to increase your audience for Instagram, but I feel like my other two videos have covered that, so I'm actually going to be talking about the 5 top Instagram marketing trends for 2020. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Hidden likes from Instagram will create more content creation for people and more content on the feed. If you're not creating content every single day or every other day for your new business on Instagram, then you're already behind in the shift of 2020. So the no edit was a big trend in 2019, and it's still going to remain in 2020. People like more about authentic content when it comes to your page. They hate when you're trying to be something that you're not. So just try to put out as much content as you can, being yourself, and I swear you'll get farther than you think. 3 apps that I use to maintain a schedule when creating content as much as you can is Later, Preview, and Hootsuite. Okay, so trend or change number 2, Instagram evolves into an influencer and e-marketing platform. How did they do that? They did that by launching in 2019 the Instagram checkout for businesses, an easy way for people to put products onto their page, but they now created that for content creators as well. Content creators can tag brands and have them shop through there so that they don't have to have an affiliate link, so they can still get paid for branding and having pictures and videos. Okay, tip or trend number 4, wear a mask. No, I'm just kidding. We're moving, we're moving into upstairs in the elevator, and I don't know who's been in these hallways of the elevator, but honestly, for reals, tip number 4, your voice is your brand, so make sure that you are writing captions that are actually captivating and brings value to your audience, because if you're not, then nobody's going to read it. Tip on how I create content, or content creating, content writing. Dang, what is wrong with my words? Reason how I create content writing is by going on blogs or articles, looking at what I would want to learn, what I would want to see, and I rewrite it in my own words to bring in the audience to learn exactly what I just learned, because it was interesting to me, so I want them to be interested as well. Or you can hire a professional content writer, which I would suggest only if you have a big business or a business that is growing really well and you're just so horrible at writing content. Okay, next tip. Tip number 5. Wait, tip number 4. So tip number 4 is going to be, make sure your mic doesn't fall off the camera. Hopefully you guys can hear me in this elevator, but tip number 4 is stop Instagram Live. Instagram Live is becoming very dead now. You need to start an Instagram IGTV series from now on. It's the same as creating content for YouTube. You need to create content for your audience and create a show. Create a show that they want to be engaged with, that has to do with your brand. So in order to make sure that you create a good show, always make sure that your camera is vertical and not sideways. Because if it's vertical, it's going to bring out the perfect IGTV. Sideways, your stuff is going to get cut off, people are going to get uninterested, and IGTV is not going to favor you. Okay, number 5, I believe, is make sure that you're always, or, I don't know if these are tips or tricks, but you guys know what I mean. These are going to be the top marketing things that are going to be happening, and I hope I helped you guys. So tip number 5 is always stay in the know with your niche. If your niche is changing or something is different in it, make sure you're on top of it. Because if you're not, then somebody else will, and they're going to prosper off it without you. I think that's all the tips that I have. We went over a lot of tips. We went over a lot of trends, and honestly, this mask is hot. I'm running out of breath, and I hope you guys hit the subscribe button below, the like button, and hit the notification bell so you know when the next episode comes on. Next series is not going to be on Instagram. Next series is going to be how to create ads for your business. And I know this is going to be really big, so you guys stay tuned.
Write your comments below. Share this on Facebook. Share it on Instagram. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. Support, okay? Thank you. You watch Virgo Lover. I Can Barely Breathe. See you next time on the channel.
Hey, so I know that was all a mess, what you just watched. I literally was out of breath. But I wanted to make sure that I got this video out while I had the idea still in my head. It would really mean a lot to me if you guys could really subscribe and share this video. I've been working on a lot of content in order to help everyone grow on not just Instagram, but Facebook, YouTube, and on their business itself. A lot of people, which I didn't realize, is there's a lot of stuff behind business that you don't know. And I want to make it easier for everybody. So if you guys like this content, you know, put a thumbs up and comment below what you actually want to learn so that I have more ideas for my future videos and I can bring you guys the right insight.